Welcome to LOOkX Makeup YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be showing you the wildflower look and how to create it. Firstly, use the Silky Touch foundation. Apply this with the foundation brush all over the skin in soft brush motions and you'll get a really beautiful dewy finish. Next, use the LOOkX concealer and apply this under the eye and in anywhere that you might have discoloration, dark circles or redness. I'm using the foundation brush to tap this in and stipple it on to help get a smooth finish. This will help lighten under your eyes and your skin. Next, I'm using the eyebrow pencil in brown. Use this pencil in the same direction as your hair grows in to get a really nice natural finish. You can use this to help enhance the shape and the colour. Creamy eyeshadow in Earth. This is our eyeshadow primer. This is great to use before any eyeshadow goes on. It gives you a nice shimmery finish and it will help prime your eyes for your eyeshadow. Next up, the eyeshadow in number 121 Espresso Matte. I'm using this with a smudger brush across the lash line to create a nice smoky effect. So use this brush back and forth motion to create a nice soft brown. Next up, use the blush in number 4 Hot Pink. Now, I'm using this in the socket line with the smudging brush and I'm going back and forth to get a nice soft finish. You're going to see a beautiful pink appear and we're going to really buff this into the brown to warm up this colour. Small circular motions with the brush, and if you have any harsh edges, just keep working over them with the tip of the brush in small circular motions. You can use your finger to blend out the edges as well, as the formula is super creamy, it will blend so easily. Next up, I'm going to be using the eyeshadow number 3 Rose Petal Pearl. I'm going to be using this beautiful pearly eyeshadow to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye to give the eye a really pop, brightened effect. After that, I'm going to use the Chocolate Matte Eye Pencil. This formula is so creamy and soft, it will glide across your eye. I'm doing this to enhance the thickness of the lashes and give a beautiful line to frame the eyes. Remember to enhance the inner corner as well and connect the brown liner through. Afterwards, I'm using the number 18 Miracle Nude eyeliner. This is going to give your eyes a more bigger, brighter look. I'm using this in the waterline. It's a beautiful nude colour to open up your eyes. Afterwards, I'm going to go back to the Chocolate Matte eyeliner and I'm going to frame the lower lash line. This is going to make that nude liner pop even more and make your lashes look thicker and enhance the shape of your eyes. Then I'm going to go back to the Hot Pink blush and the Espresso Matte eyeshadow, mixing both together on the smudging brush and buffing that across the liner. Now I'm using the Mascara Ultra Lash. I'm using this in a zigzag motion and then pulling upwards to get most length and volume on the lashes. Repeat that on the other side for nice thick, full lashes with this look and underneath on your lower lashes. Now I'm going to be using the Hot Pink blusher. This is really going to brighten up your skin complexion, so use this on the apples of your cheeks with the powder brush. Afterwards, Sweet Fig Pearl lipstick. I'm going to use this with the lip brush to get nice precision around the corners of the lips. Glide this all over. This has a really beautiful balmy texture and a lovely soft pink. Now I'm going to be using the LOOkX Lip Gloss in Fierce Fuchsia. This is a gorgeous hot pink lip gloss, beautiful, nourishing and moisturising on the lips and not sticky at all. I'm going to put that across the lipstick to really enhance the look and warm it up. So here it is, a wildflower LOOkX Cosmetics makeup look. So we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We've got many more to show you. So if you like it, please remember to like and subscribe and watch out for our next videos.